Hello everyone!
The night sky with Mario Kart.
Just when you thought the pandemic was almost over, NASA just predicted another catastrophic event to occur in the mid-2030s due to a wobble in the moon's orbit. The 18.6-year wobble has been known since 1728, and for the most part, it hasn't caused any major problems. However, with rising sea levels due to climate change, it's a different story. The wobble, combined with the position of the Earth, Sun, and Moon, and climate change, will dramatically increase the number of high tide flooding events from 600 in 2019. Most at risk are low-lying coastal areas, so businesses and governments should start planning now before it's too late. My name is Mario Kart with the Hamilton Amateur Astronomers. You can follow me on Twitter at Night Sky Mario. Stay safe everyone, and remember, make sure you take the time to explore your night sky. See you next time.